CSUDH Student Financial Services. Enroll in a payment plan tutorial. To begin, sign in at my.csudh.edu. Under Launchpad, click Toro Pay. On the left side of the screen, click Payment Plans. Then click View Payment Options. Here you will see a breakdown of your payment schedule. The number of payments will be automatically determined based on how much time you have until the start of your semester. Students that pay further in advance will see their balance split into 4 or 5 payments, while students who enroll closer to the start of the semester will see their balance split into 2 or 3 payments. Also note the $33 enrollment fee is due at the time of your enrollment. To proceed, click Enroll in Plan. Review your payment schedule along with the terms and conditions. Check the box, then enter your first initial and your last name as your e-signature. Once you are finished, click Continue. Your first payment, which includes the enrollment fee, will be displayed. Click Continue to proceed. 4 payment options will be provided: credit or debit card, bank account, 529 savings plan, or international payment. For the purposes of this tutorial, we will use a credit card. Now it is time to enter your credit card information. If you would like to save this payment method for future use, check the box and provide a nickname for this card. Saving your card does not mean that your next payment will automatically be processed. You will need to log back in and manually submit your next payment once it is due. Once you are finished, click Continue. A notice about service fees will appear. Please note that service fees are non-refundable and are paid directly to the vendor, Transact Campus Incorporated. Click I acknowledge to proceed. Then click Continue. A receipt will be emailed to you once your payment has been submitted. Please provide an email address where you would like it to be sent. Finally, click Pay to submit your payment. A confirmation screen will appear to let you know that your payment was successful. Your next payment amount and the date will be displayed. Remember to log back in and manually complete your next payment once it is due. A receipt is automatically sent to the email you provided. If you would like to print a receipt, click the receipt number. Then click the printer icon in the upper right-hand corner. Still have questions? Visit csudh.edu/sfshelp to get in touch with our Student Financial Services team. Thanks for watching.